Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this beautiful 2018 Honda CR-V all-wheel drive. It is riding on alloy wheels and power comes from a 1.4 liter four-cylinder engine mounted to an automatic transmission. From the side, we've got chrome trim, tinted privacy glass, color-matched door handles and mirrors with integrated turn signals. And then moving around to the front, we're going to find fog lights, a chrome grille, as well as a nice large raked windshield for excellent visibility. And looking up, we've got our black roof rack. So inside, we have some great features too. Let's hop right in and take a look. Jumping inside, if we check out the door panel over here, we've got our memory settings for our power driver's seat as well as our power windows, locks and mirrors. And then right down here we've got our quick buttons for our pre-collision system and our lane keeping assist, as well as traction control, our power liftgate and our wiper blade de-icer. Up here on the left hand side of the steering wheel we'll find our audio controls as well as controls for different info you can access up on the dash. And moving on over, we've got our adaptive cruise control and our heated steering wheel. Checking out the center dash, we've got an AM/FM stereo with Sirius satellite radio, Android Auto, Apple Carplay, and Bluetooth. You can also go in there and set everything up to look exactly how you like it. Moving down, we've got our dual zone electronic climate control with air conditioning and our front heated seat controls. Right down here is your electronic parking brake and brake hold system, and over there you'll find your Econ mode. So let's hop out and take a look at what's going on around back. Moving around to the back, up top, we've got our color-matched rear-mounted shark fin antenna as well as our rear spoiler. And then we do have this wiper blade here for our BC weather. And moving down, we've got our Honda CR-V and all-wheel drive badging. We do have a trailer hitch down below, and we do have the remote start factory installed right here on the key fob, as well as our power liftgate button. Opening it up, we've got plenty of cargo room, and these back seats do fold down 60/40 to give you extra room as well as giving you space to still carry passengers. And we do have a full set of nice, freshly cleaned upholstery rugs. To close up your power liftgate, you can hit that button there, turn around and walk away, lock your vehicle, and be assured everything is exactly as it should be. Thank you very much for checking out this 2018 Honda CR-V with me. If you want to come see it for yourself, come visit us at 1624 Carey Road here in Kelowna. If you have questions before making the trip, you can call us Monday to Saturday or find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details and specs on this SUV and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everybody's doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.